Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili with
Fresh Pro 11.
yeah,
Fresh Pro 11.
Fresh Pro 11. Fresh Pro 8 is busy. You're gonna notice sometimes we're gonna be doing it with one of the Fresh Pros because we are too busy, but we still wanna put stuff out there for you guys so that we can continue learning. So in the last episode, Fresh Bro 8 and I covered the same things that we are going to cover here, but we're just gonna kind of show them to you practically, which we have actually done in another video. But hey, it takes about how many times before something sticks in your brain? Add tattoo, that plus how many times? Saba. Your mwalimu said saba times, so we have to do that. So we have a couple of things. Again, we covered them in the last episode with Fresh Bro nane. So we just repeating them. Fresh Bro Sita?
Yeah.
No, that was 2 years ago. So we're just repeating them. All right, Fresh Kids, we hope everybody is doing well. We hope that you're practicing your words every day, because the more you practice, the more you're going to remember. All right, so the things we are going to review are again the eating and cooking utensils. We've done them before, so this should be easy peasy. All right, what's the sentence over here?
Hizi ni vyombo vya kula na kupika.
Say that again.
Hizi ni vyombo vya kula na kupika.
Very good, and you read very, very well. Hizi ni vyombo vya kula na kupika, which means
these are eating and cooking utensils.
These are eating and cooking utensils. And what are they? Uma,
kisu, kisu.
No, but say what it is. When you say...
No, I just want to do them first.
But then the kids don't know what they are. So help them out.
I don't even know what these are.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so do both.
Uma
is what?
You're gonna say what they
Uma
they
is
are.
fork.
Kisu,
Knife.
kijiko,
Spoon.
kikombe,
Cup.
bakuli,
Bowl.
sahani,
Plate.
sufuria,
Pot.
glasi,
Glass.
kango.
Kango is pan. All right. So what are they again? Uma is
Fork.
Kisu,
Knife.
kijiko.
Kisu was knife, right?
Kisu is knife. Kijiko.
Spoon.
Remember you were asking what is jikoni, and you're like confused with kijiko, and you're like, I thought jikoni, right? So again, jikoni is kitchen. Kijiko is spoon. Jiko is a stove, right? The light just changed. Weird. Okay. All right. Kikombe is cup.
That was the phone. Okay.
Kikombe is cup. Bakuli.
Bowl.
Sahani.
Plate.
Sufuria.
Pot.
Glass. Kango. And now let's see what they are. So I'm gonna ask you, give me a glassy. You're holding it. What is that? Say what it is.
It's a glass.
But what is it?
Glass.
In Swahili?
Glassy.
Glassy. All right.
Glasses.
Not glassy.
Glasses.
Not glasses. All right. So show us what it is and tell us. Show us the item and then tell us what it is in Swahili.
Broccoli.
What is that?
Broccoli. Broccoli, bro.
Help the Fresh Kids to actually hear the Swahili word.
It's bakuli.
Bakuli. So what is this? What is this right here? You might as well do that because you're still there.
Oh no! The big old sahani.
Sahani. You're not pronouncing the words correctly, like out. So I don't think the kids are hearing.
Sahani.
Sahani. Perfect. Try this again. What was this?
A glassy.
Glassy.
Is it glassy or glassy?
Glassy. What was this?
Bakuli.
Bakuli. All right. So pronounce it out nice and loud, because I know how you know how to pronounce them. But we want to make sure that the kids at home hear that. All right. What are the other things that you have in your hands?
Uma.
Sit up a little bit for me. Uma.
Kijiko.
Kisu. Good job. Ask the Fresh Kids at home what they are. No. Si vizuri at kidogo. All right. So show them and ask them what it is.
What was that?
And then you tell them. 3, 2.
Kisu.
The other one?
It's a uma.
Uma is what?
A fork.
No, show them first and have them guess first.
Fork.
What is that in Swahili?
Uma.
Okay. What is that in Swahili? All right. Next, what is this?
My favorite mug.
Huh?
It's my second favorite mug.
Okay, what is it?
Mug. Oh.
What is it?
Wait, do you have mug or is it kikombe?
It's a cup.
Oh, kikombe.
Kikombe, okay?
Do you have a word for mug?
Mug is a kikombe.
Oh.
Mug is a cup. Right? What do you have there? What is it?
Sufuria.
Sufuria. Good job, good job. All right, and what is this guy? What is this guy?
It's a pan.
What is that?
What's a pan? Congo.
Keep the item over here so that the kids can see what you're talking about. So what is that? What is that?
Congo.
Kango. All right. One more time. Ask the kids what the things are. Give them 2 seconds to answer, and then you tell them the
5 seconds.
No, 5 seconds too long.
It's
Too long.
not.
Too long.
2
Too long.
seconds is too fast.
1, 2. They should already know what it is.
No, they should.
Okay, kids, go for it.
3 seconds.
Okay, go. What is it?
Kikombe.
No, louder.
Kikombe. Kikombe. Uno, dos, tres. What is this anyways?
I like how you're counting in Spanish. That's pretty cool. You should next time you should do it in Swahili, and next time in Kikuyu.
Uno, Billy, 3.
Next time
Oh,
you
that
should do
was
it
nice.
in next time
That
you should
was
do it in
nice.
French.
No.
And then what was the one
I don't
for
know.
Kikitaji?
I don't know.
Yeah.
No.
I
don't
1
remember.
sa, 2 sa, 3 sa.
I don't know. They just said
Right,
one.
there was something.
No, they
Okay.
just said one. They
Okay.
said English.
What is this? What is this?
It's a sufuria.
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 All right.
I was like,
Okay. Give them a few seconds
dos,
to answer. So what is that? Fresh kids.
glassy.
Glassy. Glassy. Good
Glassy
job.
and glassy.
Nice and loud. Harakisha. What's harakisha? Hurry up. Let's go. What are you showing us? You have 3 things in your hands. Stop confusing us. Hiyo ni nini? Hiyo ni nini? What is that?
Dos, tres.
Hiyo ni nini?
And this is I forgot. Bakuli. I didn't.
Bakuli. All right. Do the others quickly. Hiyo ni nini? Hiyo ni nini? That means what is that?
Tazas.
What is it?
Forgot.
What is it?
What is this? Sahani.
Sahani. Good job. And now do this one one more time.
Oh yeah.
Fresh
What's
kid,
this?
you.
Uno, dos, tres.
That is
Uma.
Uma.
It's a kijiko.
Kijiko. You actually forgot right there.
Yeah. And this is a kisu.
Kisu. Good job. All right, fresh kids. That's it. Go to your kitchen, get your utensils,
And eat
and-
some gima.
as you're eating some gima, you say, I'm eating gima with my uma, or if you like to eat your gima with your kijiko, you use your kijiko.
You use a
And
uma.
then if you
Uma
cut,
and kisu.
if you like to cut your gima, you use a kisu to
Kisu.
cut the gima.
And you
If
put
you
your
like-
food on a sahani.
If you like soup, maybe you put your soup in the bakuli. Maybe you put your gima in the
bakuli
sahani.
kidogo. A bakuli kidogo.
Yeah, look at you. I love
Not
it.
a big bakuli.
I love it, right? And maybe you may want hot chocolate. You would kunywa that in a kikombe.
Kikombe.
Then you might want water or juice in your
Glassy.
glassy.
Or kikombe.
And that food was probably cooked in a
Sufuria.
sufuria,
And
thank you.
also a kango.
And maybe a kango, right? Perfect. Good job. Thank you, fresh kids.
Subscribe
Practice
and like
the
button, turn
same
on
way.
notifications on, and comment down below and like this video. Fresh Bro, logging out.
All right. So practice the same way. Practice every single day. Asanteni. Kwaheri.